Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact account and platform tied to your Mobile Legends subscription. This matters because cancellation happens where you purchased it. Once done, open Mlbb and log into that account. Make sure you see the correct player name and level. Next, go to the in-game profile quickly to view any active services or receipts which hint at the billing source. This prevents chasing the wrong store and saves time when you move to the platform-specific cancellation step. Now you act in the platform that billed you. For Google Play, open Play Store, tap Menu, Subscriptions, find Mobile Legends, and cancel. Confirm when prompted. For Apple, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, choose Subscriptions, select Mobile Legends, and cancel. Keep the cancellation confirmation. If the charge came through Mlbb in-game payment, open Support inside the app, attach receipt or transaction ID, and request cancellation. Explain why. Make sure you keep screenshots or emails as proof, because you may need them later. Finish by verifying the cancellation. Open the store subscription list and confirm Mobile Legends no longer shows an active renewal. You should get a confirmation email. If you want a refund, request it through the store's refund process and include the transaction receipt or contact Moonton with screenshots. If something goes wrong, make sure you logged into the same account that bought the subscription, and if needed, reinstall the app to refresh status. Then escalate to Google, Apple, or Moonton support with clear evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.